Danas melhorzinho, mãe, mexendo na timeline sa drugom. Igramo Portugal, Brazil, pošto Holandiju neće. I evo startujemo utakmicu Portugal, Brazil.
And here we have Brazil against Portugal. It's John Champion and alongside me, Jim Beglin. We're both thoroughly enjoying the atmosphere at Wembley.
Hi John, I'm really glad to be here. Let's hope these teams serve up a real crack. That came from a lack of vision. The space was out wide and yet he hit traffic.
No, that's not going to make it. Could be a chance now. Well saved by the keeper.
And that wasn't exactly a routine save. He still had an awful lot to do to keep that out. Superb.
Here's a ball in. A decent try, but not good enough.
That was such a good effort, despite the attention of his marker. I thought he did really well there. Oh look, they've started with such intensity, but maybe they just need to add a little composure to their finishing. You know, it's the only thing that's missing so far.
Postiga makes the interception. It's opened up nicely for him. Through the middle he goes. The 60s were a real turning point for Portugal. In those years they showed the world they were an emerging force in football.
Yeah, and many of the great Portuguese teams in the 60s became household names right around the footballing world.
But I think it goes beyond that, Jim, because it's not just the teams of the 60s that are remembered as some of the best that Portugal's produced. Consistently they put out teams and they produce players that compete at the highest level.
Yeah, and given the free-flowing style of football they play, it's no surprise that Portugal produces some of the best players in the world.
Picked it off. Brazil with a free kick. That's clearly not what was intended. Plays this forward. Pepe. No, he wasn't decisive enough.
Yeah, he just gave the defence too much time to regroup. In the end, he was forced into rushing it.
Hulk. Got it. He plays it through. Oh, he's having a dig. He's not taking any risks there. Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, not a good tackle at all. Free kick given. And indeed it is a yellow card. No hard feelings between the two players. But there was an air of cynicism about the foul. Portugal to take a free kick. And he'll go direct! Couldn't make the most of the chance.
Well, that free kick looked too far out for a shot.
It's out of play. That'll be a goal kick. Wants to get this forward. Oh, it's been cut out.
They may well get a bit more joy down the flanks. They'll certainly find more space out there.
Here's João Moutinho. Postiga. Yep, offside there. It's a massive relief of the opposition defenders. Sandro. Now Neymar. Now Hulk. He's got in. The referee blows his whistle to signal half-time.
Look, let's be honest, they've really struggling to create clear-cut chances here, let alone score. Surely the second half gets better.
It's 0-0, so nothing to separate them. Brazil against Portugal. Here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Here's Ruben Michael. Hulk. Sandro. Straight offside then. Free kick to the opposition.
I just thought he got too impatient then. It was the right move, but he's got to keep himself on the right side.
It's on for it. Plays this forward. 15 minutes of the second half gone now. He's bursting forward. Now he's ready for a shot. Strikes it. He's done very well there. That's a shame.
Oh, that's just lovely skill. He's certainly a player who could single-handedly make a difference. Great talent.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Chance. He decides to shoot. Oh, well saved.
And that's a really instinctive stop too. Great reflexes to make it happen. I thought he showed class there.
He sends it in. A chance. Good strike, but straight at the keeper.
Great contact, but he just made it too easy for the keeper by going down the middle.
Really good try, but no goal.
Well, look, his odds from that sort of range were never great, and yet he almost produced a very, very good finish.
Intercept the pass. Marcelo approaching the last 15 minutes of the game. Elder Postiga on the ball. It's on for him. Wants to get this forward. The ball's with Cristiano Ronaldo. And it's too close to call. Winning goal for either side would be huge. Maybe it can come now. Now the chance! They've scored! At last we've got the goal we were waiting for.
Well, what a sickener that is for the opposition. There really isn't much time to get a goal back now. Talking about drama.
A great finish in a one-on-one situation.
Well, although the keeper looked at the imposing figure then, he remained totally unfazed and took the chance with great ease.
So, could this be the one that settles it?
Oh, that's a huge goal at this stage, but I suspect they're going to have to dig deep in the next few minutes to try and see this one out.
No, that wasn't the best of passes. It's a good hit! They were so nearly punished for their mistake.
I think the coach...
That is the referee's whistle for full time.